Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel Automate Easy Guide. Open Excel and enable the Automate tab, then choose Office Scripts or Power Automate to build a flow. Begin by recording a simple action like formatting or sorting, test the script, and iterate until it runs reliably. I will walk you through triggers, actions, and debugging tips to make automation practical and approachable for daily work. Start by recording a simple task to capture the exact steps you take in Excel. Click Record, perform the action like filtering or formatting, then stop and save the script with a clear name. Test the recording on a sample sheet, then refine by removing unnecessary steps and adding error checks. I'll explain how to handle ranges, relative references, and common pitfalls so your recordings stay useful across different files and data sets. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation. A book that can change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with learning productivity habits that save time and stress. It's a light, practical read that can help fund your learning goals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use Power Automate when you need cross-app workflows or scheduled automation that goes beyond one workbook. Pick a trigger like a new file in OneDrive, a scheduled run, or a manual button, then add Excel actions to read or update tables. Map fields precisely, include conditions for errors, and test thoroughly before scaling. I'll cover templates, connectors, and best practices so you can build reliable flows that integrate with email, Teams, or databases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.